So if you're looking for a bargain, this is it right here. Hi there, I'm Niki with Guaranteed Home Sales. This 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage with 1,687 square feet is a bargain. It's a brand new move-in ready home in Venice. The price has already been slashed over $40,000 down to $403,000. Now this isn't a builder-grade home, it's concrete blocks, stucco exterior, gorgeous interior finishes. So inside we've got beautiful solid white cabinets, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, tile floors in all the main living areas. In the primary bath are dual sinks and a huge walk-in closet. Additionally, there are 2-inch blinds throughout. Now out back you have a gorgeous water view. This is a great lot. So the builder desperately wants to sell this house. So much so that not only has he discounted the list price over $40,000, but if you use his preferred lender, he'll buy down your rate to 5.25%, and he'll pay $5,000 of your closing costs. Now, alternatively, you could choose to reduce the price an additional $25,000, making the final price $378,000. This isn't the only deal in here. In my hand is a 2-page list of builder closeouts with similar discounts. So if you want to take a look at this home or any of the others on my list, give me a call or a text at 941-318-0760. We'll schedule a private showing. You can take a look at this house and many other models that are here on the list. These incentives will not last forever. They're going fast. So call so you don't miss out on the perfect home for you and your family. Once again, my number is 941-318-0760. I look forward to speaking with you soon.